Hi, and welcome back to our iC-R Helmets How-To series. Today, we're going to be going over the rear view cameras on your iC-R helmet. Now, there are two ways to get these iC-R cameras to activate. The first will be off of your Bluetooth controller. At the top, you'll see a dedicated camera button. When you press that button, the rear view cameras will come up on your HUD screen. The second way to get those cameras to open is through your iC-R helmet HUD dashboard. Now, you're going to open up your iC-R helmet and go over to the second page of the dashboard. You should see a rear view camera option there, and that should open up the display for you. Once you have your iC-R helmet connected to your phone, go ahead and open up your iC-Rider app. Go ahead and open up the settings for your iC-R helmet and scroll down, and you should see an option for rear view cameras. When you open up that option, you'll have a list of options for a few different parameters to set to your liking. Now, the first one will be how long your rear view cameras come up when you press those buttons. You can set that time anywhere from 5 to always on. So 5 seconds being the shortest, or always on being when you press that button, it will stay on your HUD until you remove it. The second parameter that you can set will be the position of the feed. Obviously, you can have it set as full screen, so your entire HUD will be taken up by your rear view cameras. However, you can also ask it to position that feed in the top left, top right, bottom left, or bottom right corners of your HUD display. And that's it. That's just a quick overview of your rear view cameras on your iC-R helmet. Thanks for checking out today's video. Make sure you check out the rest of the series for more tips and tricks on iC-R helmets, and we'll see you in the next one. See you then.